What up, y'all? It's your boy Papiblendzz, and as we all know, you could give the best haircuts, but if you don't have the right styling tips and the right styling products, what does it matter? Let me take you today on styling this hair right here and show you 3 main products that I'll be using to achieve a beautiful comb over. And my first product of choice to achieve a beautiful style is gonna be my Level 3 Hair Serum. I'm going to apply just a dime size into the palms of my hands. Once I have applied this product into my hand, I'm gonna rub my hands together. And I'm gonna go ahead and distribute that product evenly throughout the hair. Aside from amazing styling products, we also offer the right accessories to achieve a nice style. So today I'm gonna be using my Level 3 Styling Powder as part of the foundation. This is gonna allow me to create that volume and more texture. Let's apply this. So I'm gonna continue applying my styling powder. I'm gonna divide the hair and try to target directly into the roots, because what we're looking for, again, is a stronger foundation. And here we have, after 2 products, might seem done, but me personally, I like locking in my styles with my Level 3 Hairspray. The Level 3 Hairspray not only gives you a Level 3 hold, but it's also going to provide you with a long-lasting, natural look. And here we have our final product. As you guys know, as first step, I use my hair serum from Level 3. Second step, I use my styling powder for a stronger foundation. And to lock in that hairstyle, we finalized it with our hairspray from Level 3. It's your boy Papiblendzz. If you'd like to know more about this, make sure you follow us on Instagram or visit us at level3.com to acquire all your products.